How to configure administrative monitors in Jenkins. Here's today's starting point. I have a Jenkins LTS controller version 2.401.2. Now, since I'm logged in as an administrator on this Jenkins instance, you'll notice up here in the top bar, you see a 1 with a bell. If I click on that, that's telling me that I have an operating system end-of-life monitor. So this is one of the administrative monitors for this controller. Now I can manage this monitor from this pop-up by just clicking on Ignore, or I could click on More Info. But let's look at it a different way. So if I go ahead and click on Manage Jenkins, it takes me to the Manage Jenkins page, and I see at the top the same administrative monitor. So if I go ahead and click on More Info, that's going to take me to the documentation related to More Info in the same browser tab. Now, if I go ahead and go back, you'll also notice within this monitor, there was text linked to the documentation. So if I was to right-click that and open in a new tab, then I go back to the same place. Now let's go ahead and go back over into our controller and let's click on Ignore. So when I click Ignore, then what's happening is that monitor is being hidden from the view on Manage Jenkins. Also notice that the bell is also gone. So when you click on Ignore, it removes the visualizations, whether it's the bell or the top section on Manage Jenkins, from all viewers. Said differently, when you ignore a monitor, it not only hides it for you, but for anyone else on that controller. Now let's say for a minute that I clicked on Ignore by mistake, and I wanted to go ahead and have that monitor reappear. How do I do that? Well, let's go ahead and go into System, and let's scroll down to Administrative Monitors. We'll click on the Administrative Monitors dropdown, and then it exposes all the different administrative monitors that are available for this controller. If we keep scrolling down, we're going to find one named something like Operating System. And in fact, it's Operating System End-of-Life Monitor. Notice that it's unchecked. So when I clicked on Ignore, that unchecked this monitor. So let's go ahead and check this monitor again and click on Save. And what we'll notice when we go back to the top of Manage Jenkins, we'll see our monitor showing back up here at the top. And we also see the monitor showing up with the bell icon in the top bar. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach out to us on Twitter at CloudBees. If this video was helpful to you, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to CloudBees TV yet, why not? Take a moment, click on that subscribe button, and then ring that bell, and you'll be notified anytime there's new content available on CloudBees TV. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.